the 1960s, European carp were introduced to the Murray-Darling Basin. Since being introduced, carp have had nothing but a negative impact on the environment. Their destructive bottom feeding habits stir up muddy sediments and cause many issues. A major one being the loss of our native species such as Murray cod, scallop and silver perch. They are now believed to take up 80% of the Murray's biomass and have tripled in number over the last decade. Many systems and programs have been put in place to get rid of the carp. However, it just doesn't seem to be working. Unfortunately, it's just the way it is at the moment. So, Billy and I decided to head out to the flats with the spears to chase a few of the dogs. Let's go. River crossing 1, Billy. Let's do it, mate.
Yep.
Oh,
they've worked it up for us.
Yeah, not wrong. Billy's got the bodyboard today, whereas I'm just going solo because I'm not a pussy. Oh, here we go. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Let's do it. Righto, guys. I'm going the floaty approach. So guys, I'm going across on this blue floaty. Billy's over there on his bodyboard. And yeah, we're getting across this first river. And then we've got another one to do, and then we're at the location, so. Yoo! Good day for a paddle actually, like, there's definitely worse things you could be doing right now, that's for sure. This is unreal. The reason we're taking this way is because normally we walk across the grass, but on a 36 degree day, there's a couple of brown snakes and you don't really want to get done by one of them in the middle of nowhere, so yeah. Well, we've arrived at the first exit of the crossing. We've just pulled up at this spot and we found some eggs, and we reckon they could maybe be snake eggs. If anyone knows in the comments.
Yeah, this is where we saw the black snake, the red belly black snake last time we were out here spearing, so maybe this exact spot.
Maybe there could be, they're quite a thick shell actually. But we'll leave them alone.
What does a thick shell mean, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Good little point there.
Yeah.
The breaststroke.
Righto guys, this is our exit, and now you know what I mean by snaky.
Send it.
Go away, snakes.
Yeah, tap the ground too because it makes vibrations. I don't like vibrations.
I think we're through. I'm not going to count my chickens before they hatch, but I think we've done it. Yoo! We're through. Beauty.
Oh,
destination that way.
There's the instant heat.
Thanks for getting us through, boards. Appreciate that. Oh, this isn't too bad here because it's not, like, it's a bit flattened out.
Yeah, like kangaroos and stuff.
Yeah, but still, we got to be watchful of snakes today. Because guys, look where we are, in the middle of absolutely no freaking nowhere. So yeah, Billy doesn't care, he's going thongs. I've gone shoes today, just a bit of safety. Yeah, this is it, guys. Nah, it's carp, dude.
Oh my gosh, dude. There's about 30 just sitting there.
Oh, look at them. Oh, look at them all. Oh my gosh. What?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, we're getting carp today. I can literally see them everywhere. You probably won't be able to see it, but.
Dude, can I leave this here?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, that is insane. I've never seen that.
They're everywhere. Look at that.
They'll be placid as.
They're literally just sitting there. There's one right there.
Yeah, just talk louder, that'd be good.
I can't believe this, eh?
Well, we could just grab them, man.
We can literally pick them up with our bare hands, I reckon. Billy, go for the first shot on that one right there.
That's a dead carp now.
Dude, look at it. We still got to be careful we don't spook them because they do spook quite easily.
Got his eyes towards us.
Everywhere today. One just spooked over there. I have a feeling we're going to be breaking some prongs today. That's a good problem.
It's facing.
This is crazy.
We're directly at him. I reckon he's going to come over.
That's good. Sight on, dude. Oh!
I went way too
Dang it, missed it.
close enough.
That's right, bro. There's another one there. Look at that. Once all of them spook. Once one of them spooks, they all spook. That's right, bro. Oi. You got mud all over you from doing that.
Oh, there's one just sitting there. Go for him.
It's out swimming me. Damn. Just having a look around now, waiting for him to resurface. Look at her. Yeah, boys. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, he's alive. Dude, he is monstrous.
He's so wide.
Oh. Dude!
What, dude?
That is a beast.
Look how thick he is.
Billy went to spear that one and then he swam towards me and I just buffed it. Look how big
I'm holding
that
up
is.
someone else's fish, but dude.
That is huge,
It's like
man.
what, the ones you get in Europe with the big.
Yeah.
Dude.
That's the one we just speared.
Ryan Stella
That is
fishing.
actually a brute, guys.
It's so fat.
And this isn't like unnormal for this area because we're just coming through and buffing carp this size every spear.
Put his head towards
I mean, this is the biggest carp of the day.
Yeah,
but
definitely
like,
the fattest.
Yeah, have a look at that. So
Show us the girth on him.
dude, look at that. So we'll dispose of him and we'll go again.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, gets a little bit deep there, guys. You can probably surf in this, is that much action up. Oh, there's one just huge. Oh, they're everywhere.
Just fucking.
Dude, buzzing up everywhere. Oh, wow. It's like a colony of carp. There has to be like 1,000 billion carp in here. Billy and I are just coming up to our little honey hole. Last time we were here, there were so many carp in it. So, fingers crossed. Woo! There's a big boy just behind these reeds here. Oh, he's just sitting there, man. Dude. Oh, there's another one up there as well. Oh, that one's huge. That one's like a meter. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. This one, man. Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh, yes! Get him! Oh, that was sick, bro! Oh, that took me for a ride! Get him! Get him! Get him! Over there, man! Where is he? Oh, yes! Oh! I got him! Oh! Oh my god. Look at that. We literally chased. We speared him, he got off, and we chased him down. Look how dirty this place is from us. Come on! You there, Bianca! This is the only problem we're having today, guys, is all the scales on the spear. Not a bad issue to have, eh? Ooh. There's a big one just in the shallows here. See if we can get to him. Okay. Yeah, you got it. I thought he was going to spook because his mates were gone. Yeah. Dude, this is a big. Come on, you little beauty. Where is he? Still there? Yeah, he's just here. Good thing. Go, go, go. Yes, you got him. You get him. You get him? Yes. Yes. Go. Oh, dude, it's good. Do you need a hand with him? Oh, it's still kicking. Oh, dude. We all go. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's a monster, dude. Beauty. That's probably like pushing 80 centimeters. Have a look at that. Oh, what a beast. We stalked that one from like, oh hang on. We stalked that one from the back of those reeds, and then Billy was like, I'm going around the outside, and we just
it just swam like straight at me, didn't see me at all. Turned side on, perfect opportunity to lay the spear in it. That was sick.
That is huge. Well guys, I think we're done. We are hot, exhausted and tired. And yeah, the carp stopped surfacing, I think, because it's the middle of the day. So we're going to call it and make our way back now. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Billy?
Please subscribe for more.
You're beauty!